everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about the creation of a project task from an email alias. So the automatic creation of a project task from the email alias reduces the risk of creation of the errors. This also helps to switch between the email and Odoo to create a task, and the email requesting work will be automatically converted into a task that reduces the time and saves the effort of creation of the project and task. So let's check the functionality of the creation of the project task within the Odoo. To manage with the creation of the project and task from an email alias, first we have to configure the incoming mail. For that, we can search for the incoming mail from the home screen of the Odoo platform. So here you can find the incoming mail server is already configured. So we have already discussed about how to configure the email server, that is the incoming email server in Odoo in previous video. So if you have any doubt regarding that, you can check that video. So here you can see that the name of the incoming email server is set to just incoming and the server type is POP server. Afterwards, under the server and login, we have to provide the server information such as the server name as pop.gmail.com, and as we just set the SSL TSL enable, you can see that the port number will be automatically configured over here. Now, this is the username, that is the sample odoo4@gmail.com, and here we also just need to set the password. So this is a mail to where the customers give the email. So the emails will be automatically converted into project, and we can also set this email so that whenever the customers create something else, that will be also converted as a task. So in order to create a project first, here you can see that action that to be performed on incoming mail as to create a new record in the project. So here you can provide the project over here. Later on, you can save the changes you have made. So once a customer mail something into this mail ID or email address, we can fetch the data, and once the data are fetched, a project will be created in our project module. Now, let's see how a customer can just mail to the given mail address. So for that, let's move on to the customer's mail ID or Gmail. So currently, you can provide the mail address that is given for the incoming alias. And let me set over here, as well as you can provide the subject. So the provided subject will be treated as the project. So let's provide the subject as room decor. And here you can provide the body. Hey, I wanna decor my room. Later on, you can just click on send, and here you can see that once we fetch in the incoming mail server, the data will be fetched and a project will be created. In order to create the project, you can just click on the fetch now button so that it takes a few minutes for loading. And here, let's back to the project module. In the project module, you can see that a project is created over here with 0 task. Now, if you want to create a new task for this project, here you can see we can just configure the incoming mail server. So for that, you can just go to the settings. In the settings, here you can find the settings of this task, and you can just go there, where you can just create a task by sending an email to the specific alias. To the specific mail ID that we have given over here. So here we can see that we have already configured an incoming mail server. So you can just provide the username of the incoming mail server. Later on, you can save the changes that you have made, and the option is, or the policy is to accept this mail from everyone. Either we can just get that email from the authenticated partners or followers or authenticated employees. Now, the policy is to get the email from everyone. So once we set likewise, we can just go to the client's Gmail and send any mail to this project. So here the client is just going to mail the configured incoming mail server, where we can set subject as wardrobe, and you can provide the body over here. I need to set up a wardrobe in my room. And once you set everything, you can just click on send. And here we have to just process with the same step, which means once an email is sent, we just need to click on fetch now button under the incoming mail server in order to append this data, or in order to fetch this data under the created project. Now here you can see that a task is created under the project room decor. So you can find that over here, and it comes under the stage none, and you can see the project over here as well as the task that is created. And if you want to add the milestones or designees, you can set that. And here you can see that the body of the email will be appended to the description section. And if we want to do further things in this project, you can do so. So it's very easy to manage the creation of a project and task friend email area. So the automated creation of the task would help to foster and keep the relevant data organized within the Odoo. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage a project task using the email alias. And if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.